The National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) has issued a strong warning to persons who dump garbage in Luana, St. Elizabeth. This after it discovered an illegal dump in the area on Friday. We have the details in this report.
A shocking sight for the National Solid Waste Management Authority (NSWMA) on Friday. What was to be a routine garbage collection exercise led to this discovery in Luana, St. Elizabeth. So much garbage that heavy-duty equipment had to be called in to remove it. About 20 to 25 loads of solid waste, according to Executive Director of the NSWMA, Audley Gordon. He believes the garbage was dumped by businesses.
These operations are not pedestrian operations. These are carried out by motor vehicles, trucks, pickups. And also, the amount of plastic bottles that we are seeing here, some of them with drinks that are expired. So you can clearly see that it's either some wholesaler or supermarket. We were searching through. We hope that we find even one receipt or one piece of documentary evidence that can lead us back to that commercial entity.
He warned that strong action will be taken against those caught using the area as a dump.
But one thing I'll tell you, make no mistake about it, we're going to watch this space. We're going to watch this particular space. We're going to clear it totally, and we're going to watch it. The mayor is on board with it. We have a commitment from some of the residents. We're going to watch it, and we will catch somebody, and they will pay dearly for what they are doing here. It's wrong.
He's also urging residents to help monitor the site.
But when we clear this area, we want it to remain clear. Now, I can't put an enforcement officer to live here. I can appeal to the people around here, people who drive by. If you see anything, take a quick picture, a short video or something, send it in to us at the NSWMA. We can appeal to the political representatives, use their network to help the police the area.
The St. Elizabeth Municipal Corporation will also be implementing measures to prevent persons from dumping garbage in that area.
And one of the things we're looking at in discussions with the Executive Director is to put post barriers along here to at least prevent vehicles from going inland into the location where they have been going. We know the culture has a lot to do with it, but we have to take the necessary steps working along with the solid waste to try and ensure that we prevent this again.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.